Morning, guys and girls. So today's a big day for me. I got a lot to finalize. Time is so short, and then I just saw. I don't know if this is true. There's gonna be a tunnels on the end to a strike type of thing. Like shutting down the road. That's gonna screw me over. I don't know how I'm gonna get through that. Yeah, and okay, it doesn't look like it's raining so much today. But I still welcome it. I went to my barber yesterday. My new barber. Yeah, I'm very happy. I'm very happy. Very happy. Very happy. Yeah. What do you think, guys? What do you think? And then my brother, out of the blue, messaged me today, this morning. For one of our favorites, we like have this movie thing, man. So like the new Tron is coming out soon. But besides Tron, like he hasn't spoken to me in a while. Um, it's good. It's good. If you're watching this, yeah, it's for you. It's for you. For that. Anyways, yeah. To everyone out there, have a super duper day. Love, light, and happiness as always. Really, really, really be safe out there and stay true to thyself. Yeah. I'm loving this, man. I'm loving this. But anyways, enough from me. Yeah, yeah. Come for me, man. Come for me. It's okay.